Hello and welcome to this channel Programming Fever. In this video I am going to show you a new Android project, a bus live location tracker developed using Java and XML. Before diving into the details, let me start a quick demo. Once you open the app, you will see the login screen. I will enter my credential to log in as an admin. After login, you will see dashboard, which includes option to create drivers, view driver list and create new users. The users of this application can be anyone, such as the passenger waiting for the bus, school students or daily commuters, who can use this app to track the live location of their bus in real time. Now first, let's create a driver and start tracking their location. To do so, click on the Create Driver button and fill in all the required details. Once the driver is created, I will log in as a new driver and start location tracking mode. Now that the driver's live location is active, users can view it from their own panel. To demonstrate this, let's log in back to the admin panel and create a new user. When you click on a Create New User, the system generates a temporary username and password that can be shared with users during booking or through any other communication method. Next, I will log in as a user using those credentials. After login, simply click on the Get Driver's Location button and you will be able to see the live location of the buses. So that's how the system works. Admins can manage their drivers and users. Drivers can share their live bus location and users can track their buses easily using this application. So that's the complete demo. Now let me show you this project source code and report. So here is a source code developed using Java and XML, and Firebase is used for the database. And here is a project report which is formatted professionally and included in a complete project package. So if you are interested in this project or if you need any modification in this project, then feel free to message me on Instagram Programming Fever. I will provide you a link in the description. Please check it out. And if you found this video useful, then hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.